In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the host cache in Chrome's DNS cache. This is a simple yet effective way to resolve site loading issues that you might encounter while browsing. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll know exactly how to manage and clear your host cache to ensure your browsing experience is as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Chrome. You might already have it open, but if not, go ahead and click on the Chrome icon to launch it. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the address bar. This is the space at the very top of the browser where you typically type in web addresses. In this bar, you're going to enter a very specific command. Type chrome/netinternals/DNS and then press the Enter key. Doing this will take you to a hidden page within Chrome that allows you to manage certain network settings directly. Once this page loads, you'll notice several options and settings. What you're looking for is the Clear Host Cache button. This button might be nestled among other tools and options. But don't worry. It's usually quite easy to spot. Now, go ahead and click that button. What this does is clear the entries stored in your browser's DNS cache. Think of the DNS cache as a directory Chrome maintains, like a phone book of sorts, enabling it to quickly find sites you've visited in the past. Clearing this cache can be particularly effective if you're experiencing issues such as pages not loading correctly or stale cached information being displayed. Now that you've cleared the cache, the next step is to close and reopen Google Chrome. It's an important step because it ensures that the changes you just made in the settings take full effect. Simply click on the X in the corner of your browser window to close Chrome entirely. Then, open Chrome again in the usual way. This quick restart is essential to ensure that Chrome functions optimally with the updated DNS settings. By following these steps, opening Chrome, entering the netinternals command, clearing the host cache, and then restarting the browser, you have effectively cleared Chrome's DNS cache. You should now notice improvements in your browsing experience with quicker load times and fewer glitches. Remember, you can return to these steps whenever you run into site loading issues in the future. It's a handy tool to have up your sleeve for maintaining a smooth and efficient browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps with any issues you're facing.